Okay, so this is the last corn of the year. Um, it actually just died a few days ago when we got a super hard freeze here in Seattle, and these are Peruvian varieties. I got two out of five. I planted five and I only got two. One of them, as you can see, is very large, and this one's kind of smaller, so I don't know what I'm gonna have. But it's different than the other variety I grew, which is this one, and this one has little cow spots kind of looking things on them. It's pretty cool from the seeds I got. But it's called, uh, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's like peskorunto or something like that. Um, anyways, I guess I'll open this one first. And it's huge, by the way. I mean, you can see the size of this compared to some like normal sized corn. It's very fat and it's really short too. So and we're doing it inside because it is very cold outside. And there's going to be a lot of shell or husk on it again. I'll just go through it one by one. See, it's really fluffy the way the husk is, so it's probably not nearly as fat as it looks. And we're almost there. Oh boy, this one came out really good. Ooh, wow. Look at that. See the little kind of cow spots I was talking about? Peel back this layer. Wow. Oh yeah, very cool. Look at those colors. Blue, a lot of blue and white, a little bit of purple. Well, that is exactly what it looked like. That's a great little piece there. Let's go around. Yep. Pull that off. Oh, those are super cool. Look at that one. Look at the pattern on that. Isn't that amazing? And that one. That one's pretty cool. So I don't know why they get these really weird patterns on them. I mean, it's really awesome, but it's really unusual though because I don't have any other corn that makes that sort of patterning on it. And I just think it looks kind of like cow spots. So, and that one's blue and has spots on it. That's an interesting piece. Let's see what else. So, I'll definitely need to dry it out. But you can see it's a little bit different from this variety here. And this one dried and it's gotten a lot smaller. Probably lost about half its size. But this one has rounder and kind of fatter kernels on it, and this one's more kind of pointed. They kind of point. So that's awesome. This one did really good. So I can open this one, but I don't think there's really going to be anything in here, just because it's so small. Oh my gosh! I was wrong. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Look at those blue colors on there. Wow. This one's really cool. Look at that. Well, I was wrong about that one. I thought there was nothing on here, but this has some amazing colors, patterns. It's a very dark blue, almost black. So look at that. And look at the size difference. The patterning looks similar, but the sizes are much different. So That's great. There you go. All right, well, that was the last one of the year, so thanks for watching this year. I'll have some more stuff, though. I'm going to show you how to pick the right seeds and everything for the next year. So anyways, thanks.